everybody. So I want to do one more battery change. The one I did on the Timex Q was just a little too simple. I know it's up there. I'm uploading these both at about the same time, but I want to show you on a little more, not difficult, but on a different watch. So this is the Spectrum Stone. Ooh, dropped it. It is a Quartz Japanese movement. This one's also very simple, so this isn't going to be long. You open the back. Loosen that enough. Yep. Take the back off. You have the battery right there. Let's see. Zoom in a little bit. Yep. Alright, so there's your battery. The 920S. That's what you got to look for. You can get like giant packs of them. I got this on Amazon. So it also goes by $371 or $370. I got 20 batteries for $6. They might not be the best, but that's a good deal, so that's what I went with. So now I'm going to show you how to pop this out. It's fairly simple. I like to use two different tools. One to kind of help poke it out and one to kind of prop it up. Try not to touch these guys over here. It's not really great for the watch. I like to kind of push the battery. Ooh, you don't want to pull your movement out. But kind of press the battery down a little bit, which will have it tilt up, and you can kind of pop it up under it like that, and then you just kind of push it out. Your movement's probably going to move. That's fine. You're not going to fuck it up. But there you go. You just pop that battery out. Piece of cake. There's your old battery. Here's your new battery. Take it. You want to kind of slide it into the same position. Slide it over. Definitely a little temperamental. Use your finger a little bit. You can kind of just pop it down. You want to get it under there. And then just kind of tap it in to make sure it's good. And that's really it. Now if I re-engage the stem, yep, there you go, taken away. Real simple, guys. I know this is a repetitive video compared to the last one I did, both battery changes, but this is stuff that I've heard from people that they're not comfortable doing, and I just wanted to show you guys how absolutely simple it is. It's not something you need to fear. And I'd recommend everybody trying it, especially on a Quartz watch. You're not gonna screw these up. Sorry guys, trying not to curse here. You're not gonna screw them up. Nice and simple. Put that back on, and you're good to go. That's how you change a battery in a Japanese Quartz watch, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with the reviews fairly soon. See ya.